Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot on Chromebook. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard. Locate the screenshot key on the top row of your keyboard. It looks like a rectangle with two vertical lines to the right. Press the Control key and the screenshot key together. A screenshot will be taken and will appear in the bottom right corner of your screen. The screenshot will be saved in your Photos or Downloads folder. If you want to take a screenshot of a specific area, hold down Ctrl Shift on your keyboard. Press the screenshot key, your cursor will change into a crosshair. Click, hold, and drag to select the specific area you want to screenshot. Release the mouse and click Capture. The screenshot will appear in the bottom right corner where you can click to view or share it. And that's it. Now you know how to capture your entire screen or just a portion of it on your Chromebook. This was for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.